GS450H. Battery, start battery, auxiliary battery changing. Going to go ahead and replace that today. Had a couple issues before. So what's happening is if you jump in the car and you try to start it, you get nothing. Nothing at all. Then it's giving you, press it again, you're not getting the no ready. Not ready sign. And you got a VSC code, ECB code. Okay, so you can jump the car. Oh, there it goes. Started right up. All right, I'm going to test the battery, see where it's at. Let's see here, let's get one side over here. I see we got 9 volts in there. Should be at 13 or 12. All right, what you're going to do to replace the battery is go ahead and pop this out. Pop this out right here. There's usually a little pin right here, and that one I already took those out. Back there. Put that over to the side. Grab the 10mm out of here, and just go. This one's gonna come out of there. Out of there. Take off your little vent right here. Splash. And we're gonna, this is the temperature sensor right there. Unplug that for now. When we get the new battery in, we'll get that back in there. There's a new battery here. This one out of here. New battery for the Lexus GS450H is S65D 26L, roughly about 260. Okay. And the new battery does come with a new temperature sensor on it already. Just plug and play. And looks like it's missing the vent line. Probably just gonna have to pull it off of that old battery there. I'm going to pull this out of there. Use it on the new battery there. This one into the new one. And it's going to be pointing backwards towards the negative terminal. Let's go ahead and get it into the car. Check the bolts while we have this here. Yep, looking good. All right. Go ahead and get it in here. I got the battery in. Basically, just do everything in reverse. Plug in the temperature sensor. It's gonna clip right back in. Got your vent line. It's gonna go right back in there. Get your wires back on. That's gonna clip in there. Ground. Keep the keys close by because the alarm might go off. Okay, alarm doesn't go off. Let's loosen it up and get it all the way down. Okay. And let's give it a go and see what happens. Thinking about it. Press it one more time. Oh, there's the ready. And it started right up. It's resetting everything because we disconnected the battery. But yeah, should be good to go now. We'll just let it warm up today. And we're all done. All right, you guys have a good day. And thanks for watching. Japan, you gotta package up the old battery. You have to buy a recycling ticket off Amazon. And they'll come and pick it up for you. Costs like $3 to send it back. All right, you guys have a good one.